Hi, thanks for joining me for this market outlook. It's been about 3 weeks since my last report, and over that period of time we've seen the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 struggle to break through the market highs that we've seen during the first quarter. In addition to that, we've seen many companies very similar to Procter & Gamble who report profits that are in line with expectations, but they report weakened sales growth. And that's a trend I see with many companies here in the United States. Most of the profit growth that we see is due to cost cutting and not true growth of their business model. In fact, here in the United States, most economists are predicting only a 2% growth to the economy for 2013. And many economists are predicting a retraction of the economy or perhaps even a recession in Europe. So with the continuing problems we see from many companies worldwide and a very low growth rate, I continue to believe that the markets are overvalued relative to the fundamentals of most stocks. So we've taken the opportunity in April to take the gains we had in 4 different mutual funds. As we made those sales, we'll move that money into cash and money market positions very briefly. But over the coming months, over the next 4 months during the summer to be precise, we'll be adding back to stock positions in most accounts. Now, as we make those purchases, we'll be doing it with exchange-traded funds. For those of you unfamiliar with exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, they represent an opportunity for us to lower your costs dramatically. Most mutual funds have an operating expense of approximately 1%, whereas most ETFs have an operating expense well below 1/4%. So this reduced expense ratio we hope will provide improved value to you and what we hope to see as improved growth of the portfolio as well. Now, each portfolio here at Karsten Advisors is individually managed to your custom needs. And so if you've got specific questions about your allocation or your performance or perhaps just some general financial planning questions, please feel free to give us a call, and myself, Marcus, or Jeff would love to talk with you. In addition to the improvements we're making inside of your portfolio, we're also continuing to strive to improve our service and our technology. We recently added Black Diamond reporting via our website to give you up-to-date performance data on your accounts. For those of you that have access, you should be able to access those reports. And if you don't have access, please feel free to call our office and we'd love to set that up for you. Thanks for all of your support and your confidence in us. If you've got questions, please feel free to give us a call. And if you live here in North Texas, I hope you get outside to enjoy this beautiful spring weather that we've been having. Thanks very much for listening to these comments, and as always, have a great day, and we look forward to serving you in 2013.